再来看美国纽约洛克威海边啊，最近有民众互鲨鱼夹击，着伤是真严重哦。这嘛是纽约60多年来头一件发生的鲨鱼攻击人的事件。警方是出动无人机监测附近鲨鱼的活动。专家嘛警告讲哦，受到海水升温的影响，鲨鱼是有刷到岸边生活的现象。
美国警方出动无人机监测纽约红桥区南部洛克威海沙堡是毋是有鲨鱼出现。因为这无偌久之前，才发生有一位65岁女性互鲨鱼夹着伤，警方正注意。虽然天气正热，大部分的游客也是踮伫咧海沙堡岸领，囡仔伫咧耍耍无落去水的。
Yeah, I'm kind of scared really for my kids, but she likes the beach. They like the beach, so I try to, let them wet their feet. But now it's really scary, so just got to be careful and stay out of the water.
参加夏令营的囡仔，伫海边无偌远的所在练习冲警。做家长的虽然会担心，但是也是希望家己囡仔会当体验新的代志。
Certainly heard about the incident a week or two ago. I called the surf folks. They told me about their protocols, how they approach it, the situation. I felt comfortable, not completely, but that's why I came out.
有专家认为，是因为这几年海水温度变悬，鲨鱼才会慢慢游向岸边，挖近陆地潜水的区域。但是纽约水族馆动物部门的馆长沃尔特斯看法无同，叫民众免啥担心。
Shark attacks, shark incidents, shark encounters in general are rare. The ones where people are injured to that extent are the rarest of the rare. As a matter of fact, this is the first shark attack incident encounter period in New York City in over 60 years.
沃尔特斯讲，鲨鱼出现伫纽约的海域已经有几多百万年的历史。伫纽约海湾有27种的鲨鱼，伫热天挖近海岸的地区，会当发现8种到12种的鲨鱼。要避免鲨鱼攻击，上好的方法就是提高警觉。公司新闻新乐配编辑。